Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our journey of learning Python. Till now, we were covering thoroughly the lists in Python. And now, today, we are going to cover tuples. Tuples are just like lists, but they are not mutable. By mutable, I means you cannot change them after you have initialized them or started them. They are unchangeable. Let's make them. But before making them, let me give you an example. A tuple is like a recipe list. Okay? So some when you have a recipe, you don't change the order of things, order of process. Like you cannot first have uh, 1 cup of all-purpose flour and directly you put the vanilla extract. You have to follow the process. So the tuples let you save the order of elements in themselves. But the lists, they are, as we discussed in past videos, are like a shopping list. Okay? A shopping list. Yes, if you're going to grocery store, you can buy the bread before getting the milk. So the order doesn't matter in lists, but in tuples it matters strictly. Okay, and you cannot have multiple items, same multiple items in a list in a tuple, but in list you can have them. Okay, so let us make a tuple and experiment with it. Tuple 1. How we would initialize a list? By square brackets. And how do we initialize a tuple? By round brackets. And we fill it just like we filled the lists. And hooray, we have a tuple ready for us. So now test. Can we mutate or change the elements of tuples? 3 is equal to 90. It's taking a bit of time. And here we get it. The tuple object does not support item assignment. So you cannot reassign something to a tuple. It's immutable, it's unchangeable. The most crucial usage of tuples is saving coordinates and all the processes where order is very important and where the initial state of the data you have made is pivotal. So that state, even though it serves several processes, but it should not change in the end. In those all cases, you just not use lists, you just use tuples for extra safety. Thank you very much.